See guys, this is the issue. I turned off the ignition.
That guy want to race with me, but I'm not gonna do that.
Hello there guys, welcome back to my channel, and this will be my first motor vlog, I guess, on my channel. Not the first motor vlog, but the second motor vlog, but it will be a proper motor vlog of my channel. And I welcome you all to my channel right now who are coming for the very first time. I urge all of you to subscribe to my channel. A lot of new videos are coming in, so stay tuned. So right now I am riding my well-wisher, my good friends Jawa 42, and I already did a review of this motorcycle a couple of months back, and there is a video. I will put a link up here. You can check that out. And right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ride this bike and just figure out what the pros and cons are. But basically the cons, because you guys know that there is a lot of good things and this bike is a very good bike, but I'm gonna tell you my honest opinion about what I feel while riding this bike, about the things that Java need to hear to our feedback, and things that they need to improve on this bike. So hope you guys will enjoy it. So without any further ado, let's start this vlog. I love this exhaust sound of this bike. They really did a great job with it. Let's put it in first gear. Yes, let's go. So first of all, this bike is very light and very nimble. And the mid-range and the low end power is pretty hard. So this basically won't be a review. I'm just gonna give my opinions about this bike, that's all. The first thing that I kind of feel is that the gear shifting in the first and second gear is a bit hard. When you start into second gear, there will be a mild clicking sound.
No.
Shifting first to second gear is kind of hard, but after that it's way more smooth. The acceleration is very smooth after that, and it can quickly accelerate to 60 or 70 kilometers per hour. But the top end, it can't do top end after 120 kilometers per hour. It's really uncomfortable, and engine starts to vibrate a little bit after crossing 100 kilometers per hour. So its comfortable zone is around 90 to 100 kilometers per hour. You can cruise at that speed. The second thing I wish Java could have included in this bike is the dual channel ABS, because this bike is a single channel ABS. So when my friend bought this bike, there was only this single channel ABS model available. So he went on and purchased that one. So I guess Java could have included the dual channel ABS in the earlier versions of the Java model. But it's a good news that they launched the dual channel ABS model now. So we have that option.
You say you wanna try, but you never.
This bike being a new bike, and it's a new bike, so I'm not gonna push that hard and do a gas speed run. Basically, I'm just gonna cruise. The first thing I feel could have improved is the mirrors, bro. It's the mirrors.
Suddenly when I reached this junction, I heard someone honking madly from behind, and I saw this guy in my mirrors, and he was trying to close me and honking madly that he wanted to race with me.
Yeah, that guy want to race with me, but I'm not gonna do that. Once you start riding it in heavy traffic, I feel that the engine will heat up, but after you turn off the ignition, the radiator still tend to run. In Superbike also, if you turn off the machine, the radiator fan will also turn off.
Guys, please ride safe. Don't do this kind of crazy things at roads. You are risking lives of others. Please ride safe, guys.
Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's
I do get a little bit of vibration in my hands after crossing 100 kilometers per hour. So that's where the sweet spot is. You can easily cruise at 90 to 100 kilometers per hour. But after that, there will be a little bit of vibration that I feel will come. But other than that, the engine is butter smooth. The engine feels refined. Won't give you guys any kind of trouble. It pulls from the low end, so it's kind of cool to ride it in the city. You don't need to change a lot of gears. Other than that, the posture is center set. The footpegs are center set. Right now we are at NH highway in Toronto, and here we got a good day. The sun is shining right above. I'm kind of feeling the heat, but it's okay.
don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now.
Let me kind of do a braking test here right now. Yeah, 60 kilometers per hour, and I brake hard. Pushing the front brake itself. See? Standing stop in without no time. So the ABS is great, working greatly. If you go straight, you will reach Jawa. This is the main highway from Toronto to Kanyakumari. But the work is going on, so it's not open.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry.
Taking a U-turn is a bit easy because of the wide handlebar. You can maneuver it easily.
The speedometer of Java 42 is placed offset, so it kind of makes it a little hard to read while you are riding out there in the roads. So if they could have tilted it a bit forward, then it would have been much better.
The field of view in this mirror is very small. You won't be able to see everything. That could have been improved because in other bikes you will get a bigger mirror, but here you get a classic mirror, which is kind of not bit disappointing. But it's aesthetically it looks okay on this bike. Right now I'm cruising at close to 60 kilometers per hour and in top gear. I will slow down a bit more and see if it can pull out of that speed in top gear. Okay, I am doing 40 kilometers per hour. Yeah, the engine feel bit more stressed and starts knocking. I try to do a little bit more gas. Yeah, it's you can cruise at 50 kilometers per hour. Right now I'm not using the rear end brake. I'm just using the front end.
The ABS works really well and stable on the braking. That's good. I'll talk about the heating issue and the radiator fan issue at the end of this video, so keep on watching guys till the end.
What you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run.
very planet. The seat is kind of hard because it got a very thin layer of foam. So if you are going out for a long trip, you need to change the seat to a comfortable one.
There is no heating issues as such. The engine won't heat up in normal situations, but it will heat up in heavy traffic situations. But that's okay. It's a liquid cooled bike, so that's normal. The other issue that I feel the Java owners is facing is that the radiator fan will keep on running after even you turn off the ignition. So that will drain off lot of battery and lot of battery power. So in other bikes, if you cut off the ignition, the exhaust fan will also be turned off. So in that case, the battery will drain in this bike. See guys, this is the issue. He turned off the ignition, but the fan is still running because the engine is hot. It won't turn off. See, it will drain a lot of battery. So not the issue, but it's a safety feature. Once the engine is cool, then only it will turn itself off. Otherwise, it will stay on. Now it's off. Already the ignition is. I turned it off. So that's it, guys. This is a short motor vlog. I'll do a lot more motor vlogs in my coming videos. So stay tuned. And thanks for watching, guys. If you're new to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and ring that bell icon too, so that you get notified. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching again.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please do subscribe to my channel.